In this example, we're going to look at a couple different ways to transform and analyze survey result data. First, we'll query the MyDataHelps export database using Python, load the result into a pandas data frame, and reshape the data to prepare for analysis. Then we'll analyze the data using Python and pandas. We're going to begin by noting that the export database mirrors the export file format and provides survey result data in three nicely normalized tables: survey results, survey step results, and survey question results. For our first transformation, we're going to flatten this structure into a single table that's going to look like this. I've set up my notebook by importing the MDH query module that's available in the Python file linked to this video. And then I followed the instructions to gather the configuration settings and credentials from MyDataHelps Designer as described in the Connecting Python to MyDataHelps video. This is the first query that we'll take a look at. We can see that it joins the three tables together and selects the appropriate columns. When I run this query, I can see the flattened structure represented here in the notebook. If I'd like to, I can save that result to a local file, and then I can import it into another tool. Now I'm ready to proceed with my analysis. Next, we'll use our flattened survey result format to answer a couple questions. First, we'd like to know how many participants generated data for each survey in our project, and how many answers or unique instances of study result data exist for each survey. With our study results transformed into a single flattened table, it's one quick manipulation in pandas to answer this question. And here's our results. We might also want to know how many instances of each question-answer combination exist in our data set for a particular survey. We can look at the Feeling Sick survey. And again, a quick pandas manipulation provides the answer. And finally, many analyses prefer a vectorized matrix format with a row for each participant, a column for each unique answer, and a true-false value in each cell to give the answer that the participant provided. Again, the flattened format makes this a very quick operation in pandas. We've been analyzing survey data in this video, but the export database also provides access to all your other data collected with MyDataHelps, including participant data and wearable data. Check out the other videos in our data guide for examples with additional analytics use cases.